In this BrandBay review, I'm going to be showing you a software in which you could be managing all of your assets in a single dashboard, and you can also get the feature of the white labeling. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to be showing you a complete tutorial on this later into the video. But let's have a look at what AppSumo has got to say. So AppSumo is a platform in which you could be getting BrandBay for a one-time payment. So with a one-time payment you could be getting, and you don't have to pay monthly. If you want to check it out, you can check it out by clicking the first link in the description. So it's an alternative to Brandfolder. So if you don't know Brandfolder is also an asset management tool, but this software, it's on a monthly basis. But if you buy BrandBay from AppSumo, you could be getting it for a one-time fee. So it's best for marketing agencies, remote teams, and web design agencies. But also, guys, you could be using this tool if you are an individual entrepreneur who has, multiple businesses, and you want to hold all of your assets in one platform. You can do it as well. You can store all of your brand assets in a single organized platform. As I've mentioned, that's the best feature you could be getting. No matter what the thing is, it could be, the assets could be images, videos, colors, copy, and code snippets. It could be literally anything, even links you could be storing. I'll just show you this dashboard. So these are some of the collection that has been made by this particular creator. So you can save logos, you could be saving some of the colors, then you can save images, fonts, videos, then you have links, files. So no matter what you want to save, you could be saving by just clicking this collection. I'm going to be showing you in that video. And it doesn't have to be just one brand. You could be doing and switching with multiple brands. So you have to switch accounts, which all you could be doing in one dashboard. See, you can manage multiple brands in single platform. You can send white label, share links for clients to upload and access assets. I'm going to show you all of that. You can quickly copy paste any information. You can switch between brands. You can invite other team members to the platform, and you could make them get access to your assets, which you could be doing. So these are some of the features, and now let's go into the pricing of BrandBay. So it has got 6 tiers, so you can have a look at them and you can choose based on your needs. So if you want more than 25 brands, if you're an agency, you will need 25 to 100 brands. You can go for that. And if you are someone very small, a small entrepreneur, and if you have like 5 brands under you, you could be doing this. And also you could add 4 members to the platform. If you want more members, you can go with the higher ones. And based on the storage also, you could be choosing. So this has got 100 GB, 400 GB, 1 TB. So it really depends on your preference and what you actually want. So one thing to remind you guys is that the white labeling feature, let me see. So it's only available from license tier 3. So if you can look at this, so license tier 3, you have to, in order to get white labeling, you will need to go to the license tier. Now let's go to the dashboard of BrandBay. So this is how the dashboard looks like. You can change your brand logo. You can upload your brand logo here, and you can create your first collection. As I've shown in the previous screenshot, maybe it is images. I can just type in images and just share and just create the content. Maybe if I want thumbnail, I could be creating thumbnails that I could be saving on this. So I can include a shareable brand kit as well. So I can create another collection. Now if I want videos as well, I can type in videos. And also if I want to save some links, I can save the links as well. So it goes on and on and on. You can do a lot of collections, and one cool thing is that you can switch between brands. So the only brand I've selected now is the internet marketing expert. You could be choosing from the different brands over here. For the first licensee plan, you could be selecting up to 5 brands, which is great. And you have got 3 collection that I've made now. Now inside of all of this collection, you could be uploading all of your images. If you have thumbnails, you could be uploading thumbnails, then videos. So let me show you how you could be uploading each of your videos, or maybe thumbnail, or maybe images. So first go to any of the collections and you have to create your first group. So you can name the group maybe thumbnail for space videos, and for the description you can keep just something, and I could be creating it. So I've made my thumbnail for space video. Now in order to add it, just click it. I'll go to my desktop. So I have an image, so let me just see. So as you can see, my thumbnail has been uploaded. You could be doing the same, and if you look at this, you could be seeing all the information about the file. And if you go here, you could write some notes which you can type. So they are under maintenance, which is why this pop-up is here. So, and there is like one more option over here in which you could be adding description. So I'm not able to access that part. Wait, like, just let me see. Oh, I'm not able to access that part, but you could be writing notes about this thumbnail. You could be seeing the information, and also you could type in the description. You can also share this thumbnail if you want. You can access give public access. You can share the link to any of the social media, and you can do that. You can do some you can type in the description as I've mentioned, and you can update it. You can save some tags if you want, and you can do all of that stuff. So you can keep uploading all of these assets on and on and again. It doesn't matter if it is links, videos, images, anything, any digital asset you could be uploading here, even docs, even PDFs. If there is anything you want, you could be doing that. And also if there is any of your asset which you want to take, maybe it is I uploaded space video, so I can just type in space and immediately get the thumbnail for space video. So I can just choose that, and then I have the shareable option as I've mentioned. So it can be either protected by a password, or you can just give public access with the link. So most people would try to do the password protected one. You can do that as well, but it's up to you. Then you can create a new group if you want, and then you have manage the groups. You can manage everything here. So overall, I think BrandBay is an amazing asset management tool. So if you want to guys check it out, make sure you click the first link in the description, in which you could get a 10% discount. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.